Today we are going to the crater in Midway to go for a swim.
Homestead Crater.
The Homestead Crater.
It's got a gigantic rock dome, and inside the dome is a really, really deep hot spring, but it's pretty cool. Into the crater. Whoa. Warm? We are in the crater.
There's scuba people right here.
Okay.
I can feel the bubble.
It's
The lights
time
down
to
there.
go under. Pretty trippy, huh?
Whoa! There's a light down there. Okay, so we're currently trying to determine if we should go and get our campsite figured out, since it is first come, first serve.
Which is my inclination. I always like to know I have some place to be, right?
Some place to sleep.
Some place to sleep when I have to set up a hot tent.
My thoughts are, it's April 10, the campground opened today, and I'm just not sure anyone's gonna be tent camping in the rain on April 10th.
True, which is why we took a detour to a hot spring. We gotta figure out what we're doing.
Yep.
You like it?
I do.
That was fun.
Time to go pay. Hello, ma'am. It's amazing. She's got some big sticks up there.
Yeah.
That is not home.
All right, I need a muffin.
Okay, we have to go find a muffin. I did not buy muffins for this trip, and it's starting to get on Jake's nerves.
No, it's not getting on my nerves. It's just I miss it, you know?
Yeah.
They're so soft and delicious.
So we are driving to go find a bakery of some sort. But in the meantime, we are looking for birds, and we've seen lots of deer, and we've seen osprey, and we've seen... That's it. Here we have some pelicans. Hello. Here we have another bird. This is a field of geese, and they're all nesting together. They all are in love. Nom nom nom. Kestrel baby. Ospreys everywhere. Hello. You're very pretty. Sandhill cranes in a field of grass, very typical for them. That's their favorite. Very interesting behavior over here with some turkey vultures that are not happy with each other.
Chasing him.
There's a fight over the meat. Oh, gross. All right,
Implements.
to devour.
Oh my god. I can't.
Hell yeah.
I'm very happy right now.
Beautiful day.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers. We're out for a little drive. We're going to the bakery again.
Little birding action.
Little birding morning. No, we're just looking for creams.
It's a great. Oh, look at all the coops.
We hate them. Oh, it's so many too. God. It's a beautiful morning. It kind of is just like wintry, but also spring.
Yeah, but you can't sneeze without dropping a million around here.
It doesn't make it any less beautiful, Jake. It's a beautiful morning.
Eat the rich, babe.
Eat some rich bagels. Good morning, horse. Hi. So we went to Harvest for breakfast, which, what did I say, Jake?
$20.
20 bucks breakfast. And this was the coffee. I don't know if you can see the size in comparison to my very small hands.
Baby coffee.
Baby coffee. It's very good though. And this delicious arugula chili oil egg
Don't get me
bacon.
wrong, it's delicious.
It was $15.
There's Audrey picking all the arugula off the sandwich.
I don't see the point.
It's a garnish, she says.
It's a garnish. Here we have some sandhill cranes. So something interesting that sandhill cranes do is they put mud into their feathers and it turns them reddish brown so they can camouflage better. And you pick up the dirt and they put it in the feathers. How cool is that? Dirt bath. Feathers. Get in the feathers. Look what they're doing with their necks. They're amazing.